Best homemade salsa ever. Welcome back to Rick's channel. Here's a recipe for homemade salsa using the ingredients. Ingredients: 1 can, 28 ounces, whole tomatoes with juice. 2 cans, 10 ounces each. Rotel, diced tomatoes and green chilies. Store brand is fine too. 1/4 cup chopped onion. 1 clove garlic, minced. 1 whole jalapeno, quartered and sliced thin. Please share and like. Please click the links in the description to help the channel and I receive a small commission. Instructions: 1. In a food processor or blender, combine the whole tomatoes with their juice and the cans of Rotel. 1. Pulse until the mixture reaches your desired consistency. 1. If you prefer chunkier salsa, pulse fewer times. 2. Add the chopped onion, minced garlic, and sliced jalapeno to the blender or food processor. 3. Pulse a few more times to combine all the ingredients evenly. 3. Be careful not to overprocess unless you prefer a smoother salsa. 4. Taste the salsa and adjust the seasoning as needed. 4. You can add salt, pepper, or more jalapeno if you prefer a spicier salsa. 5. Transfer the salsa to a serving bowl or an airtight container. 6. Refrigerate the salsa for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld together. 7. Serve with your favorite tortilla chips or use as a topping for tacos, nachos, or any dish that could use a kick of flavor. Enjoy your homemade salsa and make sure to keep this recipe handy. It's a crowd pleaser. Thanks for watching!